Rat Rod Rockstars.
I'm just filling in because Brant's not feeling great.
Check out what we did on the bike today. Make sure to like and subscribe. We made a steel braided design today on the box. Stay tuned to see how we did it. Sorry, not box, bike. This is stainless steel braided wire cover. We use it to cover up hoses and wires, and it makes it look better. So the first thing you need to do is open it up. So you come here, put your finger in, and you just keep bunching it up, just like this. And if you need to, you go to the other side, open it up a bit, and put your finger in, and bunch it up from this side too. And then, there we go. It's opened up enough that we can put something inside of it, and it'll do its job. Okay, so now we got our cable. We're gonna feed it through, and then once it gets all the way through, we hold it tight here where we want it, and we pull it tight, and that'll show you somewhat what it will look like. Okay, so at this point, you pull as much tension as you can on the metal braided thingy, and you tape it like this. You go from the silver part to the black part, so you keep tension. Okay, so now we got the heat shrink. So we just slide it on here and put it over the black tape. Then you take a heat gun or something like that, and you turn it on, and you go around it and heat it up until it shrinks. And tightens down on it. Just to make sure that the tape doesn't start to just peel off.
Stay tuned for more videos.
Welcome to Rat Rod Rockstars. Crap.